A lot of people think using AI for design is complicated. It's not. You don't need perfect prompts, you don't need technical words, you just need to talk to AI like a friend. Let me show you how. Open ChatGPT website in your browser. Step 1. Start simple. I began with an image of a broken cup. I didn't explain anything extra. I just said one sentence. Restore the cup to its original condition, and that was enough. Step 2. Add ideas naturally. Once the cup was fixed, I wanted to make it more beautiful. So I said what came to mind. Add some colorful flowers to make the cup beautiful. No planning, no overthinking. Step 3. Clarify. Don't restart. The AI added flowers, but they were inside the cup. That wasn't what I meant, so I didn't start over. I just clarified. Color the cup with some beautiful flower designs. That's it. Step 4. The design looked great, but there were still flowers inside the cup. So I said one more thing. Remove the flowers from inside the cup, and the result was exactly what I wanted. The key idea. This entire design came from a conversation. I didn't write a perfect prompt. I didn't plan everything in advance. I reacted. I adjusted. I talked normally. Final message. If you want better designs with AI, stop treating it like a machine. Talk to it like a creative friend. One idea at a time. If this helped you, like the video.